Low-quality images are still a problem. Blur, noise, soft details, and no real control over upscaling. Today, I came across an AI image enhancer called Aiarty Image Enhancer that actually lets you control how details are restored, how much resolution you add, and how natural the final image looks. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works, what settings matter, and what kind of results you can realistically expect. So this is the tool I'm using. The interface is clean and straight to the point, no unnecessary distractions. Everything here runs locally using my RTX 4060 laptop GPU, which means faster processing and consistent results without depending on the internet. AI Models, Core section. The most important part here is the AI model selection. More detail, GAN v3. This model focuses on extracting fine details, edges, textures, skin, hair, while also handling deblur and denoise. For most low-resolution or soft images, this gives the sharpest and cleanest result without looking fake. AIGC Smooth V3. This one is better when you want smoother results, especially for AI-generated images or artwork. Real Photo V3. If you're working with real photographs and want a natural look instead of aggressive sharpening, this model makes more sense. Most of the time, I stick with More Detail GAN v3 because it gives the best balance between clarity and realism. Upscaling options. Upscaling is flexible. You can go from 2x up to 8x or directly target 1K, 2K, 4K, or even 8K resolution. This isn't just resizing. The AI actually reconstructs details instead of stretching pixels. Strength control. Strength controls how intense the enhancement is. At around 1.0, the image stays clean and natural. Pushing it higher can introduce artificial sharpness, so moderation matters. Face restoration. There's also a dedicated face restoration option. It intelligently enhances facial features, eyes, skin texture, hair, without turning faces into plastic or over-smoothed results. For portraits or images with people, this makes a noticeable difference. Color controls. Color correction is optional, but fully available. Temperature and tint. Exposure, contrast, saturation, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. You can either keep original colors or do basic grading directly inside the tool. Export settings. Export options are solid. PNG, 8-bit, 16-bit, JPG, TIFF, DNG. You also get DPI control. Use original DPI or go higher for print-ready images. This makes it usable not just for social media, but also for professional workflows. Final processing. Once everything is set, you can export a single image or batch process multiple images at once. The output is consistent, fast, and predictable, which is exactly what you want from an AI enhancer. After testing it properly, this tool does exactly what it claims: clean up images, restore details, and upscale without destroying realism. If you work with images regularly, content creation, design, photography, or AI visuals, this is worth trying. Links are in the description if you want to explore it yourself. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, subscribe, and let me know what kind of tools you want me to test next.